Okej mina vänner, välkomna till en ny video. Idag så är det ett fiskmåsägg som, vi ska se vad som är inne i ett fiskmåsägg. Som har även försökt hatcha och det är då dött måsägg.
With this guy over here.
Det här är då 25 dagar gammalt.
And it's about to die.
And the parents are dead.
Oh look. Oh.
Satana purkele!
Oj, saliva!
Look, the chick! Hey, kom hit med kameran! Det är ungen!
Söva!
What the
Kolla, ungen rör sig för fan!
Wait, Aisha?
The chick is alive!
Holy shit!
Ni inte också.
Damn, you crazy motherfucker for this. You crazy.
Or is he really?
Well, you thought two of dead ones.
Yeah, and the yolk is there too.
My guess was right. And it's still like that one. Oh, hell no.
Here.
Bro, smell it. That looks disgusting.
Oh,
Now I
fucking
feel-
hell.
Now I feel
I
it.
need to do this. Kom hit med kameran för fan!
Would you look at that thing for 10 hours for $1 million, would you?
Yeah.
Really?
Kolla!
What
Lever för fan!
the hell?
I know,
Kom
look.
hit med kamerorna!
Ja, det kommer kameran.
Bro, who's gonna make this thing alive?
I don't know.
Become a bird and see this every day.
No.
I wanna get the shit.
Get it. And then throw it down on the grass so I never see it again.
I hate this.
I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to. What the hell?
Oh my god!
Rest in peace.
God!
Angry bird!
Rest in peace, chick. Rest in peace, chick birdie lad.
Keep your cramped pants away.
Right? You fucking disgust me.
Here's the chick! Now it's time to feed him to the birds.
Oh! There's a crow.
There's a
Kom,
crow.
vi ska baka den.
There's a crow right over there. Let's go feed it.
Nej, här
Let's go feed it.
skapar
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
You watch Metro and Sanity, I want to go now. Oi lads, we got a jet bird over here.
Vänta, när behöver jag sluta filma? När behöver jag sluta filma? Okej.
There's the video, Doctor.
He came back! He ate the bird!
Oh shit! Oh shit! This is a friendly fire moment.
The king competitive CSGO. Yeah. Literally the noobs in competitive CSGO.
Now I smell eggs. Vad fan skrev hon? Tack för att ni kollade.